Sex appeal, what really matters to women. Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are diving into a topic that's on the mind of many, sex appeal. Specifically, what really matters to women in this regard. Now, it's not just about looks or charm, there is much more beneath the surface. In this video, we will explore the key factors that genuinely contribute to sexual appeal from a woman's perspective. And the best part, I will guide you through actionable steps that you can take to boost your own sexual appeal. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what women find appealing, but also know how to amplify your own allure. Be sure not to miss out on today's bonus tip at the end of the video, as it will improve your interactions with women. Effective posture for attraction. Good posture is a crucial but often overlooked aspect of sexual appeal. It's not just about standing straight, it's about carrying yourself with confidence. Effective posture can significantly enhance your physical presence and appeal. When you stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high, it exudes a sense of self-assurance and poise. This type of posture can make you appear more dominant, strong, and confident, qualities that are often found attractive. Good posture also has health benefits, including better breathing and improved body language. To improve your posture, start by being more mindful of how you stand and sit. Practice aligning your head, shoulders, and back when walking or sitting. Exercises that strengthen your core can also be beneficial. Moreover, adopting a posture that feels natural and comfortable is key. You don't want to appear stiff or unnatural. Remember, the goal is to project a relaxed yet confident demeanor. Over time, good posture becomes a habit, enhancing your overall presence and appeal. Hair care and hairstyles. Hair care is often one of the first things noticed about a person, and it can play a significant role in overall sex appeal. Choosing a hairstyle that suits and frames your face attractively can enhance your features and reflect your personal style. Well-groomed hair conveys that you take care of yourself, which can be inherently attractive. It's not just about following the latest trends, it's about finding what works best for you, complements your features, and makes you feel confident. Begin by understanding your hair type and what hairstyles suit your face shape. Consulting with a professional hairstylist can be incredibly helpful. Maintain the health of your hair with regular washing and conditioning, and consider using hair products that enhance its natural texture and style. Experiment with different hairstyles to see which one makes you feel most confident and aligns with your personal style. Remember, your hair is an extension of your personality, so choose a style that authentically represents you and boosts your confidence. The magnetism of a strong back and shoulders. The physical appeal of a strong back and well-defined shoulders is often undervalued. These areas can greatly contribute to an overall sense of physical attractiveness and masculinity. A strong back and shoulders signify good health and physical fitness, traits that are typically attractive. They contribute to a more commanding and confident appearance, often subconsciously perceived as signs of stability and strength. While it's not about achieving a bodybuilder physique, developing these areas through exercise can enhance your physical presence and sex appeal. Focus on exercises that strengthen and define your back and shoulder muscles. Incorporating routines like pull-ups, rows, and shoulder presses can be effective. It's important to balance these exercises with overall fitness goals for a proportional and healthy physique. Regular and consistent workouts combined with a nutritious diet are key. Remember, the aim is to feel strong and confident in your body, which naturally enhances your appeal. It's not just about the physical results, but also about the confidence and discipline that comes with regular exercise. Balanced nutrition for a better appearance. Balanced nutrition plays a pivotal role in enhancing your sex appeal, as it directly impacts your hair, your skin, and overall physique. A healthy diet contributes to clear skin, vibrant hair, and a well-maintained body, all key components of physical attractiveness. Nutrient-rich foods can boost your energy levels, improve your mood, and even affect pheromone production, which can subtly influence attraction. It's not just about maintaining a certain body shape, it's about the holistic benefits that come from a nutritious diet. Focus on a diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stay hydrated and limit the intake of processed foods, sugars, and excessive fats. Consider how different foods affect your body and energy levels. levels. Nutrition is deeply personal, so what works for one person may not work for another. You might find it helpful to consult with a nutritionist to tailor a diet plan that suits your body's needs. Remember, the goal is to feel good inside and out, which naturally enhances your attractiveness. And hey, just a quick moment of your time before we continue. If you are watching this video and you have heard something that you find useful, all it takes to show thanks is simply clicking the like button for me, and I'd really appreciate it. Now, let's get back to it. Facial hair, to grow or not to grow. Facial hair can significantly alter your appearance and plays a role in sex appeal. The decision to grow a beard, to keep stubble, or to go clean shave depends on what best complements your features and personal style. Some women find beards attractive as they can signify maturity and masculinity, while others prefer the neatness of a clean shaven look. Stubble can often be a balance between the two. The key is to understand which style enhances your features and aligns with your personality. So experiment with different facial hair styles to see which suits you best. Consider factors like the shape of your face, the growth pattern of your hair, and the level of maintenance you are willing to commit to. Grooming is crucial, whether it's keeping a beard well trimmed and conditioned or ensuring a clean shaven face is smooth and well cared for. You might even seek feedback from friends or a professional barber. Ultimately, the choice should make you feel confident and comfortable, as this confidence is a vital element of your sex appeal. The role of pheromones in attraction. Pheromones play a subtle yet powerful role in human attraction. These chemical signals, though not consciously detectable, can influence how attractive you are to others. Pheromones are naturally occurring and are linked to biological attractiveness. While the science of human pheromones is complex and not fully understood, there is evidence to suggest that they play a part in sexual attraction and can enhance your natural appeal. While you can't control your pheromone production, you can enhance their effect. Good hygiene is essential as it ensures that your natural scent isn't masked or altered by body odor. However, overuse of strong fragrances can also mask pheromones. Aim for a balance where your personal hygiene products complement rather than overpower your natural scent. Additionally, maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle can also positively impact your natural scent. Being aware of this unseen aspect of attraction can give you an edge in enhancing your sex appeal in a subtle yet impactful way. The power of strong, confident movements. Body language speaks volumes about your confidence and, by extension, your sex appeal. Strong, confident movements can significantly enhance your attractiveness. This includes the way that you walk, the way that you gesture and hold yourself in various situations. Confident body language is categorized by open, deliberate movements, maintaining good posture, and avoiding fidgeting or nervous tics. These nonverbal cues signal self-assuredness and control, traits that are often associated with attractiveness. So start by becoming more aware of your body language in different settings. Practice walking with purpose, standing tall, and using gestures that are decisive but not overbearing. Work on maintaining eye contact during conversations, as this demonstrates confidence and interest. In social settings, be mindful of how you occupy space. Spread out comfortably instead of shrinking into yourself. Regular physical activity like exercise or dance can also help you become more attuned to your body and improve the fluidity and confidence of your movements. Remember, the goal is to embody confidence naturally, which in turn enhances your overall sex appeal. Bonus tip. Apart from the physical aspects, our bonus tip focuses on cultivating a sense of humor. A good sense of humor is often a key element in attraction, adding another dimension to your sex appeal. Having a sense of humor is not just about telling jokes, it's about the ability to see humor in everyday situations and being able to laugh at yourself. It involves timing, understanding context, and being sensitive to others' feelings. A well-developed sense of humor can make interactions more enjoyable and relaxed. It helps in creating a positive and memorable impression. So to cultivate this, observe humor in various forms like comedy shows or books, and practice incorporating it into your conversations in a way that is natural and not forced. Developing a sense of humor enhances your attractiveness by making you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. It signifies intelligence, creativity, and a positive outlook on life. A genuine, light-hearted approach can significantly elevate your appeal and enrich your interactions with women. So now that you've got some actionable tips to use, what's next for you? I would recommend checking out the things that she says when she wants you to make a move, or the lies that women tell guys to initiate the chase. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.